Hello, you glorious men of the Good Man Project. Alana Pratt here, your intimacy expert, with 3 things that women wish you did in bed, or at least more of. Number 1, eye contact. I know it's not possible like all the time, it'd be a little weird. However, a lot of you kind of lose yourself in different parts of our body, which is an awesome thing. However, if it's for too long and you don't come back and make some eye contact, then we start to feel like a piece of meat, not a work of art. And we can even get impatient or start spinning in our head in a wonderful way to make us feel amazing and connected is to come up and make some eye contact. And if your partner closes her eyes, ask her to open them. Ask her to be more connected to you. There's something so amazing when you don't know where your body ends and where there begins, or who's the man and who's the woman, or what have you. Like, there's this exquisite place of a whole new dimension when you're able to be really present with one another. So I challenge you to be more eye contact, to have more eye contact with her. Number 2, another thing is to stay with us no matter what comes. It's sort of like, here you are, here's the ocean, what's she gonna do? You don't know, but let it be okay. Let it be non-judgmental. Be the banks of the river if she cries, if she screams, if she gets naughtier than usual, if she just wants to be held, if she dominates you, like come what may. Be okay with us. We have so many flavors of the feminine that when we do something and you immediately try to fix it or judge it, we shut down, and there's so much of our erotic creature that doesn't come out to play. So please do your best, and that does require an inner sense of calmness, centeredness, allowance, non-judgment of yourself, so that you can be that for your partner. So do your inner work. But when a man can be with, come what may, bring it, girl. Oh, it's so hot, and it will make your lovemaking even more delicious and unexpected, really diving into the mystery. That's what a lot of us crave. Number 3, stay open that potentially there's more to come after you come. So many men, it's like, it's so predictable. They do this, they do that, they make us come, they come, it's over. Game over. Well, so many of us are just getting revved up. We're just getting started, and you're done. And maybe we just roll over and use our vibrator, or maybe we're even too ashamed to do that. Can you just stay connected? Like, even if you can't have an erection again, that's totally fine, but be with us. If we want to have more orgasms, so many of us are multiple orgasmic women, but we don't know it because you stop. But if you allowed us to continue, so much more is available. And here's where it connects into the rest of your life. I know from a lot of my male clients say that, oh, she's just never in the mood, and she thinks all I want is sex. But if you're willing to be with us for a more extended period of time during the lovemaking, after the lovemaking, when you speak to us during the day and you text us or you just walk by us, and instead of just slapping us on the ass or not even touching us, let your hands slowly go down our back, nuzzle into our neck, and just say how amazing it was last night or this morning. Keep that sensuality and that connection going. You'd be amazed if we can be touched this way. Outside of that moment of just, orgasm, extend this out to the whole relationship becoming this sensual dance. Most women will be far more willing, able, and even inviting of more sex in your relationship if we're treated more like this sensual goddess outside the bedroom as well. So do your best to remember that we are sensual creatures. We do care for you so much. And whenever we get in our head, just a simple brushing away of our hair and a slow kiss down our cheek will let us know you see us, you care about us, and it'll make us open and be more receptive to your advances. And even it'll bring out more of our sexuality and our erotic creature if you do so. So I hope that helps. And I love the opportunity to be able to contribute to you, because I know I can't do what a guy does for a guy. I get that. But there's something that a woman who loves men, who's non-judgmental, who is unconditionally loving, that when you are before her, before me, there's something in you that can wake up, like a dimension of your legacy, of your nobility, of your badass, that only shows up when a woman truly honors your heart and your depth. Yeah? So if you'd like more of that in your life, go to alanapratt.com. That's my whole website. And I have a special one for men as well, gethertosayyes.com. And if you opt in there is a free report that really will nourish that nobility and that badass part of you, because it feels so good, I believe, my male clients tell me, to really be seen by a woman who loves a man. So off you go, have some incredible sex, tell me about it, and I'll be here next week on The Good Man Project. All my love.